Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken suya using chicken breast. Using to spice the chicken are black pepper powder, cayenne pepper, pure ground allspice, Suya spice, pure hot brown pepper, brown white pepper, Maggie's chicken, and my Maggi cube. I'm just going to put in the ingredients now. I'm just going to mix the ingredients and the chicken together now. You can decide to use the chicken immediately or leave it to marinate, whichever one you choose. But I am going to leave it to marinate. After mixing it, I'm going to be putting my groundnut oil. Then I'll be mixing it again. Now I'm going to be using a cling film to cover the chicken and keep it in the fridge to marinate for some time. Now it's time to cover it in tin foil. I'm going to be putting the chicken in the oven now. The timing depends on the size of chicken you are using, so be careful with the timing. I'm just making sure to turn the chicken over. After turning it, make sure to put it back in the oven. After turning it over and putting it back in the oven, it should be ready when it's brought out. Look at how it looks, guys, after it's been brought out of the oven. I decided to sprinkle some hot ground pepper on it. Yummy, right? Make sure to try this at home. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching and bye.